Good morning, my dear students. How are you all doing? I hope you people are doing great and you are doing wonderfully well. I'm fine here and I miss you a lot. So today we are going to continue our lessons. The subject that we have on the board here is mathematics. And the topic is what? Plotting coordinates. Plotting coordinates. You know that graph work needs lot of what? Time and patience to understand. That's why this plotting of coordinates, I've taken my time to explain it for you to understand very well. Now, we are going to solve this question on the board. Yesterday we solved one. And today I want us to solve this one too, so that we will understand it better. Now we have on the board A. Draw on the grid from negative A to 8 on both axes. Yesterday's one was what? From negative 6 to 8 to 6. Negative 6 to 6. But this one is negative 8 to 8 on both axes. So let's draw. We have our horizontal line and then we have our vertical line. And I've told you that on the grid, the horizontal line is called x-axis. X-axis. And then on the vertical line, we call it what? Y-axis. Y-axis. And then the question says we should draw from negative 8 to 8. So we have here 0, we have here 1, here 2, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. 8. Then on the negative side we have what? 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8. Then we finish the numbers on the x-axis, and then we go to the y-axis. We go to the y-axis. The y-axis. We go to the y-axis. So on the y-axis, we have here the positive side. We have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we come to the negative side of the y-axis. So we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, then negative 8. So we finish drawing our x-axis and then y-axis lines. Now we are going to plot the coordinates. We are going to plot the coordinate. The second question says plot the following coordinates: negative 1, 1, negative 1, 1. And I told you that always the first numbers are S numbers. The first numbers are S numbers. And then the second ones are Y numbers. So the first one is negative 1. So we go to S. What is the negative 1? Here is positive, here is negative. So we have negative 1 is here. And then the second one is what? Y. Positive 1. So y negative is here, positive is up here. So they will meet we have -1, +1. Then we go to the second one. The second one we have -7, +1. So -7 on x-axis is what? Here. And then +1 on y-axis is here. So they will meet here. So we have -7, 1. Now we go to the next one is what? -1, 4. -1, 4. So -1, 4. We have -1 here. So on x-axis, and then +4 on y-axis. So they will meet here. So -1, +4. Then the next one is -3, +4. -3, +4. So -3 on x-axis is here, and +4 on y-axis is here. So they will meet here. So we have -3, +4. Now, the next one, plot another coordinate. +1, -4. +1, -4. +1 on x-axis is here. Then the next one is what? -4. -4 is here, so they will meet here. Sorry, this one is -1. So it's -1, +1, -1. +1, -1. So they will meet here. +1, -1. +1 on x-axis, and then -1 on y-axis. So here, so we get 1, -1. Then we go to the next one. The next one is +7, -1. So +7 on x-axis is here, and then -1 here. They meet at this place. So we have -7, +1. +7, -1 here. Then we go to the next one. The next one is +1, -4. +1, -4. So it will be here. So +1, -4. And then the last one is what? +3, -4. +3, -4. So it will be here. -4. Now, the next question says, join the points. So here I will join the points. Here I will join the points. This point is here. This one I join. Then I join these points. Not with your free hand. When you are joining, because I'm not having blackboard ruler, that's why I'm using my free hand. But you, when you are drawing, you have to use ruler. You have to use ruler to join the points. Then here, I join the points. Now, on the board we finished. So, what type of shape have I drawn? Or what type of shape can you see on the board? The type of shape that you can see on the board. Which shape have I drawn? Which shape have I drawn? That's the E. What is the name of the shape drawn? What is the name of the shape drawn? What is the name of the shape drawn? So E. The type of shape that I've drawn is called trapezium. Trapezium. So the shape that I've drawn on the board, or the shape that you can see on the board, is called trapezium. Trapezium. And we have learnt all these ones. We have learnt the names of the shapes. There are 2D shapes and then 3D shapes. So seeing this one, it is easy to recognize and then tell us what the name of the shape. So this is 3D shape. This is what? 3D shape. And this one is what? trapezium, and it is 2D shape. Sorry, it is 2D shape. It is 2D shape. Trapezium, and it is 2D shape. Now, in drawing or plotting coordinates, you have to take the questions one by one, and then as you take it one by one, you'll be able to do it easily. You'll be able to solve it easily. So I know that from what you learned yesterday and now what you have learned, you have understood how to plot coordinates. Thank you and God bless you.